Hey, quick question. Have you ever been told something about money that just sounded right, but turned out to be totally wrong? Yeah, me too. So today we're breaking down 5 common money myths that might sound smart, but could actually be ruining your savings. Let's get into it. Myth number 1, I don't make enough to save. Okay, this one's super common. People say, I'll start saving when I make more. But here's the truth. If you're not saving with a small income, you probably won't save with a bigger one either. Because it's not just about how much you earn, it's about what you do with what you have. Start small. Seriously, even if it's just $1 a day. The habit matters more than the amount. If you save $1 per day equals $365 per year, it's more than most people have in emergency savings. Once you get into the rhythm of saving, increasing it becomes way easier later. Myth number 2, debt is normal. Everyone has it. Yeah, no. Just because something's common doesn't mean it's okay. Credit cards, car loans, student debt, it's everywhere. And some of it sure is hard to avoid. But the idea that everyone's in debt so it's fine is dangerous. Because the longer you carry debt, especially high interest debt, the more money you're literally throwing away in interest. For example, $5,000 on a credit card at 20% interest equals $1,000 in interest in 1 year. That's a vacation. So no, debt isn't just normal, it's a hole. The goal is to climb out of it, not decorate the inside. Myth number 3, if I just work harder, I'll be rich. This one hurts because a lot of us were raised to believe it. And don't get me wrong, hard work is great. But it's not always what gets you ahead financially. The truth is, money doesn't only come from working harder, it comes from working smarter, saving, investing, learning new skills, asking for raises, starting something on the side. Your job earns income, but what you do with that income builds wealth. If working hard alone made you rich, every construction worker or nurse pulling 12-hour shifts would be a millionaire. So yes, work hard, but also work strategically. Myth number 4, I have time. I'll save and invest later. Oof. The most dangerous myth of all? Thinking you have time. Here's the truth. The earlier you start saving and investing, the easier it is later. That's not motivation talk. That's math. Let me show you. If you start saving $200 per month at age 25, equals approximately $330,000 by age 60. If you start at 35, equals approximately $180,000. But if you start at 45, equals $88,000. That's the magic of compound interest. Your money earns money, and then that money earns money. Time is your secret weapon. The longer you wait, the harder you have to work to catch up. Start now, even if it's small. Myth number 5, buying is better than renting, always. Okay, this one's going to trigger some people. But hear me out. Buying a home can be a great investment, but not always. If you're buying in a super expensive market, taking on a massive mortgage, or planning to move in a few years, renting might actually be smarter. Because owning isn't just about the mortgage. You've got property tax, repairs, insurance, maintenance. Renting gives you flexibility, fewer surprise costs, and sometimes more room to save or invest. Don't buy into the renting equals throwing money away myth. It depends on your situation. So let's recap real quick. You can save, even with a small income. Debt isn't normal. It's expensive. Hard work does not equal wealth. Smart money moves matter more. And waiting to save? Big mistake. Renting isn't always bad. These myths are sneaky, but now that you know them, you've already got an advantage. If this helped, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe for more money facts that actually make sense. Until next time, save smart, live smarter.